PlannorDisplay.com has given me one of the most satisfying and enjoyable online shopping experiences, and I am genuinely excited to share how impressed I am with this brand. From the very first moment I visited their site, I could immediately feel that everything was created with care, quality, and a focus on delivering the best for customers like me. The website layout is clean, professional, and so easy to navigate that it makes browsing not only convenient but also fun, allowing me to explore different products without confusion or clutter. Their display products are exactly what anyone would want if they care about style, organization, creativity, and presentation. Each piece seems thoughtfully designed with a perfect balance of aesthetics and practicality. I love how every product comes with detailed descriptions, clear images, and precise measurements, making the decision-making process completely stress-free because you already know what to expect before the item even arrives. The ordering process felt smooth and extremely secure, and I appreciated how quickly everything was confirmed and processed without delays. Their customer support team deserves a special mention. They are friendly, attentive, and always ready to help with any questions, making me feel valued and respected throughout the entire journey. When my package arrived, it was packed with great care, ensuring every item was perfectly protected during transit. This kind of attention to detail shows how dedicated they are to delivering excellence at every step. The quality of the products themselves truly exceeded all my expectations. The materials are durable, the finishes are flawless, and the overall design instantly elevates the look of any room or display setup. Whether someone is decorating their home, adding professional touches to their workspace, or enhancing a retail presentation, these products bring a fresh and modern feel that stands out beautifully. What I love most is how PlannorDisplay.com combines high-end style with real functionality, offering products that not only look amazing but also make everyday organization easier and more inspiring. It's rare to find a store where everything, from browsing to ordering to unboxing, feels like a premium experience, but this brand absolutely delivers that. Shopping here gave me a sense of confidence and excitement, knowing I was investing in something worthwhile and made to last. Overall, PlannorDisplay.com is a trustworthy, professional, and high-quality place to shop, and I am already planning to return for more because the satisfaction they provide is truly unmatched. I highly recommend them to anyone looking for exceptional display solutions that can transform any environment into something more stylish, polished, and delightful.